Imagine waking up every day feeling drained before your coffee even touches your lips. You drag yourself through the morning, struggle to focus, and by noon, you're running on fumes. You think it's just stress, or maybe poor sleep, or that you're not disciplined enough. But what if I told you the real thief of your energy isn't inside you, it's outside you. It's the world around you. Your environment, your home, your workspace, even the people you spend time with may be quietly draining your vitality without you even noticing. And today, I'm going to show you the hidden ways your environment is stealing your energy, how to recognize them, and most importantly, how to reclaim it. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. And once you fix it, your life will never feel the same. Let's start with the most obvious, but often overlooked energy vampire, clutter. Clutter isn't just mess. It's unfinished business, unmade decisions, and visual noise screaming at your brain all the time. Studies show that visual clutter increases cortisol, the stress hormone. Your mind never gets to rest because it's constantly scanning, filtering, deciding what to ignore, what to tackle. A desk stacked with papers, a closet that explodes when you open it, a room where nothing is in its place, all silently drain your mental energy. It's like carrying invisible weights. Every time you see it, your brain reacts as if there's work to do, even if you're just scrolling your phone. And here's the twist. The more clutter you have, the harder it is to even start decluttering, because your energy is already spent just surviving in that chaos. Next, let's talk about people. Yes, friends, family, colleagues, they can all steal your energy. Not because they're bad, but because of the emotional patterns they trigger. Some people are constant complainers, always focusing on problems, negativity dripping from every conversation. Some people are energy vampires in disguise, seemingly harmless but emotionally demanding. Every interaction with them is a subtle drain. You leave a room feeling exhausted for no clear reason, and it's not your fault. Your energy is finite, and your emotions are contagious. Surrounding yourself with people who are negative, controlling, or emotionally unstable is like leaving the windows open during a storm. You're letting all your energy fly away. Then there's technology. Phones, emails, social media, constant notifications tugging at your attention. Every ping, every pop-up, every scroll triggers your brain's reward system. You think it's harmless. You think you're just checking. But these micro-interruptions are energy thieves. Research shows multitasking with technology reduces mental stamina, decision-making ability, and focus. Your environment isn't just your physical space, it's digital too. And when your brain never gets a break, your energy tank runs dry, fast. Let's dive into the spaces you inhabit. Ever notice how some rooms make you feel tense, anxious, or restless? Lighting, temperature, air quality, and even colors subtly affect your energy levels. Harsh fluorescent lights zap your mood. Rooms with poor ventilation leave you sluggish. Colors matter too. Red can increase stress. Blue can calm or depress. Yellow can energize or irritate if overused. Even furniture layout affects how energy flows. A cramped space forces your body and mind to adjust constantly, stealing energy in ways you don't consciously feel. Your environment can either fuel you or exhaust you, and most people never even realize it. Next, let's talk about emotional anchors. Objects, photos, or even smells can store memories, but not all memories are positive. A photo of a failed project, a gift from someone who hurt you, a room associated with stress or trauma. These triggers silently drain energy every time you encounter them. Even if you think you've moved on, your subconscious hasn't. Your body reacts to cues in your environment before your mind even catches up. So that old trophy, that unopened letter, that dusty bookshelf, they may be keeping your energy hostage. Noise is another sneaky energy stealer. Not just loud noises, but persistent background sounds, traffic, construction, even a humming fridge. Your brain has to filter out constant distractions. It's like having a tiny drill in your ear 24/7. Studies show that noise pollution increases stress hormones and decreases cognitive performance. And don't underestimate subtle stimuli. Cluttered walls, conflicting patterns, harsh lighting, they all contribute to a constant, low-grade energy drain. Now, let's step into the less obvious, your psychological environment. Expectations, deadlines, unspoken pressures, obligations, they live in your mind, but they are tied to your surroundings. A messy workspace, a demanding home environment, a social circle full of judgment, all reinforce internal stress. Your environment shapes your thinking, and thinking under pressure consumes energy. Even being in a place where you feel less than or not enough can be exhausting without any physical exertion. Your environment doesn't just steal energy, it encourages habits that drain you. Eating junk food because the pantry is full of it. Scrolling endlessly because your phone is always within reach. Sitting for hours because your space doesn't invite movement. Your environment shapes your behavior, often in ways that sabotage your energy. And breaking free requires both awareness and intentional redesign. But here's the hopeful part. Just as your environment can steal energy, it can restore it. Natural light, fresh air, green spaces, simple exposure to nature can increase energy and reduce stress. Even small changes like decluttering a desk, opening a window, or adding a plant can have a profound effect. Your surroundings are like an amplifier. They can amplify exhaustion or vitality. It's your choice which direction you want to turn the dial. So how do you fight back against these hidden energy thieves? Audit your spaces. Look at every room and ask, does this space energize or drain me? Declutter ruthlessly. Less is more. If it doesn't serve you, let it go. Curate your people. Protect your energy by choosing relationships that uplift. Digital detox. Set boundaries with notifications and screen time. Adjust your physical environment. Optimize lighting, ventilation, colors, and furniture layout. Remove emotional triggers. Clear old reminders of stress or pain. Engage with nature. Even 10 to 15 minutes outdoors can replenish your energy. Design for energy. Arrange your environment to naturally encourage positive habits. Healthy food visible, workout space ready, desk organized. Energy is a currency, and your environment is either spending it without permission or investing it wisely. Think about this. The energy you bring into your day affects everything: your work, your relationships, your decisions. When your environment steals energy, it doesn't just affect you, it affects everyone around you. When you reclaim it, suddenly clarity, focus, and creativity come back. Your mood improves, stress decreases, productivity skyrockets. And here's the truth. Small, intentional changes compound over time. Reclaiming your energy isn't about grand gestures. It's about tiny, consistent shifts that protect your vitality every single day. So here's my challenge to you. Take a moment. Look around. Listen. Feel. Ask yourself, which parts of my environment are secretly stealing my energy? Which parts are fueling me? Awareness is the first step. Because until you see the invisible thieves, you can't fight them. And once you do, everything changes. If you're ready to reclaim your energy and live a life full of focus, creativity, and joy, start today. Audit your spaces. Remove the drains. Curate your relationships. Adjust your habits. Your environment doesn't have to be a thief. It can be your greatest ally. Because energy isn't just a feeling, it's the foundation for everything you want in life. Don't let your surroundings steal it any longer. Take control now. If this video hit you, subscribe to Daily Upgrade Motivation for daily mental reset. And don't forget to like and share this video to those that needs it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.